What's Gucci family? I'm out here about to play Osu, and I got this crazy thought. I saw Miraie. He made a video about playing Osu with a PS4 controller, and I was like, hey, I can do that with a fight stick. I'm gonna pull up on the block with a fight stick, and we'll be trying to play Osu with a fight stick to see how that goes. So yeah, subscribe. You already know what to do. Lolly gang, we out here. Let's get it. Okay, so I have my little setup right here. I think it's gonna work pretty well. I got my mouse. The first one I want to try is the mouse and the tapping with the controller. That's the first one I want to try. I'm gonna see how it works. I got these two as to like the Z and Y button, I guess. But I'm just gonna see how it works like that. I think it's gonna be a pretty good combination. It shouldn't be too bad. Let's try that though. Okay, so let's try this one. This one's pretty good. So good. Definitely different. This controller is definitely, I don't say it's helping me, but it's definitely different. Makes a lot of noise too. I'm gonna try to do one that I can actually pass, and maybe that will help a little bit. Not gonna lie, this one is actually one of my favorite songs on Osu right now. Ooh. Oh wow, I usually can pass that song pretty easily. Okay, so I found a map for that Tank Girl anime. I don't know if you it's like Panda or something, so I found a beat map for that. So let's try it out. Okay, so what is this? Wait. How's this normal? How's this okay? Okay. This is really hard. Let me go to the easiest. This is like, I am not ready for this. Okay, this is supposed to be easier. Okay. I haven't made one. How is this even supposed to work? Like, get out of here.
Walking with a check, yeah. Bitch, I keep a chopper, make you niggas flip like tech. Bitch, I'm up right now, I cannot fuck with me and up next. I got an epiphany, bitch in my DMs, I think that she into me. I don't wanna coffee, I just wanna pull up and beat up her kidney. Ooh, I got the sauce, admit it, y'all. I know you hate how I'm dripping. Don't Twitter flex, cause the drum hole fit. Don't send a text if it ain't about bitch. Don't need a flex, you know I